What's going on, and welcome back to Knife Life EDC. Got something in from Kizer, and it's something I think it came out a few months ago, and this is like a updated variation of it, I guess. It is going to be the Kizer Sparrow, and it is the S35 VN stone washed, obviously, because I like the stone wash. And it's got the titanium handle, so that's kind of why I wanted it. It's titanium handles. I didn't know they even made a titanium version. I remember when it came out, like it had like I think like a green micarta or like a natural micarta type thing, tan micarta, something like that. I thought the blade and everything looked really cool. I just didn't like the color. I didn't think it looked. I guess it looked all right. Just didn't look the greatest. I don't. Something I'm not going to pay money for. Um, and this came from White Mountain Knives. Yeah, obviously it came with a sticker, some extra hardware. You got a pocket clip right there, and some extra screws. And I don't. That's probably just like a little clip for the hole for the pocket clip, on the other side, the ambidextrous version. So I'm sure this is ambidextrous since it's obviously offering that. Came with your general information, I'm sure, this yada yada stuff. It's in everyone, every Kaizen knife I've had, so I'm not going to go into that. It's also got your cleaning cloth right in there, so you'll be good to go. Let's put this stuff over here out of the way. So it's kind of nice that came with extra stuff. That's kind of cool. I like that. Let's get it out of the way. Let's get into the knife. Alright. And I said this, I told you already, this is the Kizer Sparrow in titanium scales. There we go. Okay. Kind of a little hard to open it up right there. It took me two times to do it. So it's got a strong, it's not too bad. You just kind of got to figure it out. It's got a strong detent to it. So the rear flipper tab, like it's kind of, for some reason I kind of like it when it's up a little bit more, or like a more of a ledge. I don't know, I haven't had one like that. See, there it is. It's the angled a little bit, so you really kind of, well, I don't know. Maybe I just got to learn how to do it. That's kind of different though. To me, it's different. I don't know. Like most of my knives are either top flippers or front flippers. I'm not a real big on the rear flipper, but this one is kind of, I don't know. I think it would grow on me. It's just kind of different. I'm not used to it being slanted, but it's not bad though once you get used to it for a second. It's kind of, it does. It's kind of hard to reverse flip it. You really kind of have to put a little bit of little muscle in there. So I'm sure it just needs like a breaking in period. That's kind of normal, I think. I feel like most knives need a little bit of a breaking in period. It's kind of got like a little sparkle to it. I don't know if I can kind of get it in there. I can't. Yeah, kind of right there, maybe a little bit. It's not. I guess it's not really sparkly, obviously, but it's kind of cool looking. Let's check out the blade and everything. I like the pocket clips, not too bad. Wish it was a little further up, but it's kind of hard with titanium clips like that to get them all the way deep carry. So it's just kind of what it is. Still nice. I like the way the pocket clip looks on it. Looks like they went with some bigger screws. Obviously, that looks like a T6 right there. Maybe a T8. I'm not quite sure. See, that's what that extra clip was inside that package of extra hardware. It goes right there. I'm guessing it goes on the other side. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know if that matters. Yeah, it does matter actually. Because if you switch this over here, I wonder if that's what the extra. Okay, I'm going back. Hold on a second. I just don't understand why they gave two pocket clips because they actually look alike. Unless it's just for the opposite side, because it looks like it does like bend ever so slightly. So I'm guessing that's what it is actually. It probably bends ever so slightly. That's why they have to have it like another one right here on this side that does it the opposite direction, obviously. So that's kind of cool. It's kind of nice they actually included that. Like I said, this is S35VN, and they have it right there. Dang, that's kind of hard to see. Right there. There you go, S35VN. I do like Kizer. They usually bring pretty good knives, I think, for the most part. There's just some out there that I don't really care for that I've had, but, for the most part, I have my favorites. It does feel pretty good in hand. The pocket clip does I don't like the way it feels with my hand. I'll give it, I don't know, I just don't like the way the pocket clip feels. Because I definitely feel like I feel it. It doesn't feel bad, but I definitely feel it in my hand. Like I can tell it's there. Obviously, you can tell it's there. It's kind of stupid, right? But it does feel like it protrudes a little more or something like that. I don't know how to describe it. I feel it. Like it feels like it's really close and narrow right here, and like small, obviously, thin. And then that pocket clip kind of jumps in there, and it feels kind of weird. I don't know. Maybe it would just take some time to get used to. I do like the scales. I think they do look pretty nice. I like them. I like the overall look of it too. Um, I just don't know about the rear flipper tab. Like I think it might be something I just have to get used to. There you have the a little bit of design. It says the black bird blade. Obviously, I guess Sparrow. Um, I don't know. I like the blade shape, dude, and the like way it looks. Like it does look pretty good. I like 35B in S35B in. It's usually pretty good. I have a couple knives with S35B in. I think my Hogue 6 Hour K320, yeah, K320. I think that's 35B in, and I love that knife. Absolutely love it. It's probably my favorite Hogue knife. Um, let's check the screws real quick, because T8, pretty sure. Yeah, so you got T8, and then you got some little boys around here. Nope, that's T8. Yeah, T6 right there, T6, obviously, pocket clip, T8 for everything else. So that's not bad. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take my bigger screws when I can get them. Um, I don't care for the jimping a whole lot. I don't know why. It's not bad. It does come out far enough on the blade, which is nice though too. So like my thumb will reach out there and obviously get it and feel pretty good. The thumb hole, it's not bad. It fits my finger pretty well. Like I said, I think it just maybe needs an adjusting period. Or maybe I don't. Maybe I'm kind of holding a little bit of the liner lock. Or the frame lock, excuse me, the frame lock. I think maybe I'm hitting that a little bit. Maybe that's why I'm having problems with it. Maybe I think that might be it with my middle finger. I think because with my index finger, I don't have that problem as much. So I think it's just like an adjusting period to it. Because most knives, like they're different, they operate differently. This one, obviously, the thumb hole is closer to the frame lock, and I don't like that. Because I stick my, let's see if I can show you guys. I stick my it's kind of hard to see, I guess, show that. But when I have to stick your finger in there, I kind of push on the frame lock into it. So obviously I'm being, counteracting it right there. So I don't do that so much with my index finger because I can lift up a little farther. With my other finger, in order to get it in there, I kind of have to touch the frame lock just a little bit, and it also kind of pushes it in too. So that would that's another. I just don't like that. I'm not necessarily the biggest fan of the hole. I think it works. It works for me. Like my finger does fit in there. It just feels a little weird, but I don't like that my index finger or my middle finger kind of pushes on that frame lock as I'm opening it. So that's something I'll have to get used to. Like I said, probably like the past 5 times now. But not a bad knife overall. I don't know if I would spend the money on it though. I think it's 140 bucks for this thing. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to put that in the review, the final review of it. But I don't know. I like the way it looks. I do like the scales. I don't know if I like the rear flipper tab. Obviously, that's going to take probably a couple weeks to kind of see if I like that or not. It's not bad. It's just different, I guess. And if it grows on me, obviously that's good. But if it doesn't, obviously it's just something I don't like. Let's see the centering. The centering's not too awful bad. It's pretty good. I'll give that a pretty good A. I do like the pocket clip, like I said. I like how it's ambidextrous and everything like that. And it came with the extra hardware. I think that's a bonus. So it's kind of like, do I like it? Do I not like it? Do I like it? Just kind of weigh the options. Like I said, I'm going to carry it around for a little while, test it out. But it looks good, though, overall. I just don't know, like, functionality-wise, if I like it or not. But, yeah, that's all I really have. If you guys have had the same problems with this, let me know about it. Yeah, like with the choil and everything, and not the choil, but the thumb hole. If you had problems with that, let me know down in the comments section. I just hope I'm not the only one with, like, stupid fingers that do that. I don't know. But yeah, let me know down in the comment section if you like the video. Obviously, leave a thumbs up, please. Algorithm, I appreciate it, and the algorithm appreciates it. And have a great rest of your day.